In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account in Xero. Before we start, a quick reminder. Deleting accounts in your chart of accounts is a permanent change, so it's best to be sure the account is no longer needed, and ideally that it's not being used in any current transactions, tracking, or reports. If you're unsure, you may want to archive or stop using the account instead of deleting it. But if you're confident it should be removed, let's walk through the process step by step. First, log into your Xero account and open the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Find the option labelled Accounting. This is where Xero groups most of your financial tools and reports. Click on Accounting to open the drop-down menu. In that drop-down, you'll see several options, including things like bank accounts and reports. For this task, you want to manage the structure of your accounts, so click on Chart of Accounts. This will take you to a page that lists all the accounts your organization is using, such as income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. Once the Chart of Accounts page loads, take a moment to locate the specific account you want to delete. You can scroll through the list or use any search or filter options available to narrow it down. Make sure you're selecting the correct account, including checking the account name and code, because you don't want to remove the wrong one. When you've found the account you want to delete, click on it to select it. This may open up more details about that account or simply highlight it in the list, depending on your Xero setup and permissions. Again, just take a second to double check that this really is the account you intend to remove. With the account selected, look for the Delete option. This is usually displayed as a button or link on the same page. Click on Delete. At this point, Xero may show you a confirmation message or warning, especially if the account has been used in past transactions or is linked to other parts of your setup. Follow any on-screen prompts to confirm the deletion if you're sure. And that's it. You've now deleted an account from your chart of accounts in Xero.